Well, I must say still, big up to Ian Marshall.
Everything.
This order of distinction argument, at the first I've ever heard Jamaican people talk about it as much. And it's just that people are just not clear as why you won. I don't think nobody hates Wayne Marshall. I think Wayne Marshall is a very likable guy.
Bad girl deep queen, I'm going to tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44, music news loud. I'm going to tell you about it.
Alright, so on the board, where you know so far? May I interview you now?
No, this interview is not about me.
Decide who forget OD.
I have no idea. It's a whole.
But maybe
it's a whole.
But you do understand how the general pushback.
Everybody, can you imagine looking at every comment section? Everybody has say, deserve something. A lot of people argue what they don't know.